One on the WebAssign, we have 61 years that we need to convert into seconds. Whoops. So we'll start with 1 year is 365 days. 1 day is 24 hours. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we'll go 61 by 365 by 24 by 60 by 60. And I will end up with 1.92 billion. So 1.92 e to the ninth. It's 1.92 times 10 to the ninth. So 1.92 e9. Number one's good. Number two, 49 hours into seconds. So 49 hours needs to be converted into seconds. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And then there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 49 times 60 times 60 is 176,400. 1.76 E5. Number three, we have 38,275 seconds that need to be converted into hours. So in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. And 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. So 38,275 divided by 60 divided by 60 gives you 10.6. Number four, convert 26 minutes into seconds. 26 minutes. Multiply it by 60 seconds over 1 minute. Get 1,560 seconds. Another feature of WebAssign, just to highlight for you, instead of typing in 1,560, I can just type in 26 by 60. Number five, I need to take one of these two numbers and change its exponent. The first one's E6 and the second one is an E5. So what I'll do is I'll move this one to an E5. So I'm moving this power up by 1. So that'll give me 8.85 E6 plus 0.724 E6. And the result will be 9.574 E6. Okay. Moving on to number 6. The same deal. Since I've already converted the 0.724 E6 into the E6, I'm just going to use that same number again. It's the same numbers for 6, 7, 8, and 9. This will give you 8.126, and you're still in E6. Moving on to 7. So what we'll do is we will multiply 8.85 times 7.24. And I get 64.251. Now, I have an E6 and an E5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So this number is to the power of 11. I gotta move the decimal space one spot, so it'll be 6.4251 E12. Since I moved the decimal to the left, the exponent increases in power by 1. Takes us on to number 8. .85 E6 divided by 7.24 E5. 8.85 divided by 7.24 is going to give me 1.22. And then the exponents, 6 minus 5 is 1, so E1. I could just call this 12.2 as well. Number 9. Even though these numbers are not properly expressed in scientific notation, that doesn't matter. You're still going to follow the same procedure. So 455 times 72.9. That's 455 times 72.9 gives you 33170. The exponents, 4 plus 3 is 7. So I can put an E7 here. I have to move the decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So 3.32 E11. Notice I rounded to 3.32. I did 366. Number 10. It's 455 E4 over 72.9 E3. 455 divided by 72.9 give me 6.24. The exponents, 4 minus 3 is 1, so it's an exponent of 1, or I can call it 62.4. That takes care of the math portion of this. On to the conceptual portion. The consonants had once been joined to form a single consonant. The consonant was called Pangea. Number 12. Why were Wagner's theories initially rejected? It was because the force required to move the consonants was deemed to be too weak. The youngest rocks on Earth. There's a lot of answers to this. You could say the mid-ocean ridge. You could say volcanoes. You could say near a volcano. Any of these would work. So basically anything that forms lava or magma. So I'll go volcanoes. The seafloor spreading is powered by Earth's internal heat. The lithosphere floats atop the asthenosphere. Modern piece of technology that has confirmed the plates are moving. GPS, or global positioning satellites. North America moves at about 3 centimeters per year west. It's been 250 years, nearly 250 years since the American Revolution. How far has it moved in those 250 years? It's moved 750 centimeters. United States state created by a tectonic plate moving over a hotspot. That is Hawaii. And that concludes it.